Like I said, I have handouts, so I'm going to leave it to you today. But if everybody take time to get informed on this, we can protect ourselves as humans and protect our natural life source and protect the natural balance of nature. Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
You can have that seat.
Good evening. I'm Mary Asfield. I'm a senior attorney at the Southern Environmental Law Center and appreciate the opportunity to speak tonight on these proposed permanent rules. As Director Myers knows, my organization represents the Red Wolf Coalition, Defenders of Wildlife, and the Animal Welfare Institute in litigation regarding protecting red wolves in North Carolina. We just come tonight to express our very strong support for these proposed rules limiting coyote hunting in Dare, Hyde, Washington, Terrell, and Beaufort counties only, and our support for listing the red wolf as a state threatened species. We believe that these rules are a common sense and necessary measure to protect the world's last remaining wild population of red wolves. In light of the threat posed by coyote hunting to the red wolf population, we strongly support these rule revisions which limit coyote hunting in the recovery area. These limits will minimize harm to the red wolf population without unduly restricting coyote hunting opportunities or coyote control. We strongly support the prohibition of coyote night hunting in the recovery area. Night hunting, as y'all know, dramatically increases the risk that red wolves will be mistakenly shot, as it is nearly impossible to distinguish red wolves from coyotes under nighttime conditions. Prohibiting the night hunting of coyotes in the recovery area is a common sense solution to an unnecessary risk. We also strongly support the proposed permitting and reporting requirements for coyote hunting in the recovery area. These requirements will support effective management of the red wolf recovery program and the continued success of the red wolf wild population. We strongly support the listing of the red wolf as a state threatened species. In fact, under the North Carolina Endangered Species Act, as stated previously, the Commission is required to list the red wolf as a protected animal. Listing the red wolf as a threatened species is also good policy. While the state listing does not trigger any specific requirements, it is necessary because red wolves are a resource for the people of North Carolina, and it is the responsibility of the state to help protect the wild red wolf population's survival and recovery. Lastly, we believe that the proposed rules strike an appropriate balance between protecting red wolves and allowing reasonable coyote hunting opportunities in the recovery area. On the one hand, the proposed rules will not seriously curtail recreational hunting opportunities. Coyote hunting will still be allowed during the daytime on private lands and on game lands during special hunt opportunities. Nor will the rules significantly affect coyote control. Depredation permits will remain available to any landowners who need to control coyotes on their property. And in any event, there's strong evidence that shooting coyotes is an ineffective method of long-term coyote population control. On the other hand, the protection of North Carolina's red wolves is squarely in the public interest because endangered species are of aesthetic, ecological, educational, historical, recreational, and scientific value to the nation and its people. For the above stated reasons, we strongly support the proposed rules. And while I've got the mic, I need to take the opportunity to say that the Southern Environmental Law Center and our clients are deeply concerned about the Commission's recent actions attempting to end the red wolf recovery program and extinguish North Carolina's wild population of endangered red wolves. We request that the Commission rescind its recent resolutions calling for the end of the red wolf program in North Carolina, as we do not believe that the Commission's actions are compatible with the Commission's legal obligations. Again, thanks for the opportunity to speak.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
I'm Nick Russ, and I'm a resident of Hyde County, and living in